the person is your friend, be sure to differentiate who is your friend and who is not your friend. Don't just come out and say, okay, is it that guy? I know that person. Is it that girl? I know that person. I've met her. She's my friend. Because you met her once, she has now become your friend. See, differentiate friendship and acquaintance. They're not the same thing. Friend is different from somebody you just met once. Friend gets to the point that the person calls you and invites you over to his or her house, or the person calls you for a drink outside of your house, or the person has a wedding or a thing and invites you. That's when the friendship starts building up. And because you've met the person one, two, three times doesn't mean the person has become your friend though. You should know extent before you can pronounce person a friendship. So someone who stop tagging Basketmouth a liar because he said he has never snapped picture with AY, go to internet and check. That is because he has not personally used his phone to snap picture or any of the friends snapping pictures together. Okay? That is a studio picture. Check it out, you see.